Hi guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Ox on the Run, and we're going to show you this travel trailer, Radiance by Heartland. It's a 28 QD. We're going to show you all the amazing features on this unit.
Radiance by Heartland. Lately we've been seeing a lot of Heartland because of customers that wanted to shop around with us, and it made us discover how nicely made Heartland is. We're talking Azdel construction, styrofoam inside, and this is about half the weight of a regular trailer that has those plywood wall with a styrofoam, and even if they put aluminum. Azdel is a new component they've been using in manufacturing, and it's kind of a nice feature. So since I'm not going to be able to walk you around, we're going to shortcut this because the generator is right in the front. So in this compartment in the front that you can see from a distance, there's another steel undercover that is about the depth of the frame that you see there, that you actually lift, and you can hide stuff in there and store stuff in there, which is kind of a nice feature. And this is open all the way through from one side to the other. 4,400 pounds axle, 15-inch tires, nice construction, nicely built. Those are not China bomb tires, by the way. Furnace, cable system, already pre-wired, outlet, a nice awning that does almost the full length of the camper until the kitchen, which is kind of nice. See this nice feature. Greystone, another nice griddle place, and steel construction and steel shelf. I kind of like what they do with this. This is nice. Refrigerator 110, and this is to hook up your kids when they're out of control. You just hook them up there. Retract, extend, electrical system. These are support, so you have to park at the right place in order to be stable. It's stabilizer, they're not levelers, so that's the difference. Now we're gonna bring Vanna Laurel inside, and we will go and see.
Look.
So we're gonna have Laurel going inside.
Welcome to this family travel trailer. Talk about family friendly. This sleeps 9 without putting anybody on the floor. It's an amazing unit with a huge, strong foundation. It's made lighter, which is great for your traveling capacities. Here we have your living room couch that turns into bedding, which is really cushy and soft. And you also have this that turns into a bed. So you've got your dinette, which is beautiful. I love this table. This is really, it's kind of a marble look, although it's not marble. And it flips down into a bed also. And then you've got your refrigerator. And Pierre, you said this was 12 volt?
This is a 12 volt
yeah,
refrigerator.
12 volt fridge and freezer. You've got your 3-burner stove and oven, and also your microwave up above. And underneath the sink, you've got great storage underneath here. And you've got your drawers here on the side. A nice big basin sink. Love the black wrought iron look. That is one of my favorite features. And then coming in here.
Well, they cut us off with the power, so which is fine.
So coming in here into the bathroom, you have your tub for the kids, which is an awesome feature.
See, that's a grandkid feature. That's what happens.
Yes. But this is amazing. Check this out. What kid wouldn't love this when the parents say, get in here and have dinner alone? They've got their own little place to have a little dinette in here, as well as that flips down into bedding. Bedding behind me. Great storage underneath the bed, which is fantastic. So tons of storage.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So this is really a nice little unit. And then coming back into the beginning here, you've got your entertainment center. So you've got your stereo system, you've got your TV, which is also on a scissor, so you don't have to turn your neck in order to watch TV. You've got great storage underneath there. And then you have double access. So honey, you have your side, I've got my side. And coming into the bedroom, it's a huge king bed slide, and you've got storage on both sides of the bed and up above. And you also have mounting brackets available for the TV, although there's no TV on there right now. This is a great family unit with a lot of sleeping, and we're going to tell you our favorite features. Thank you for watching our videos. We would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. It's free. Give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Okay, so I'm going to read from this little piece of paper that tells you these top 5 reasons why you would love this unit. First of all, it's a strong foundation, oversized I-beam frame, it's heavy-duty tires and aluminum rims, better quality throughout. This is lightweight but strong. The Azdel composite walls, half the weight of wood for a lighter load, which is what you want. And it's a fully walkable roof. That's another thing you want. Being inspectors, we think that's a pretty important feature, having a walkable roof.
Yeah, because you'll have to go on your roof to check once in a while. This is a nice roof because it has a crown in it, so it actually drips the water on each edge. Well, you got to check your edges because you'll have to put some lap sealant on there once in a while to keep your unit from sucking up water or having water intrusion.
So, going to tell you my favorite feature. It is that little bathtub in the bathroom and also the little dinette booth in the back bedroom for the kids. I think the kids are going to love that.
Yeah.
Being able to have dinner alone without the parents. Yeah. Heck yeah.
I would.
That's great. Especially if there's a dog and they don't like their peas and they can throw the peas on the floor and the dog eats it and the parents don't know. Huh. Not that I would know from experience or anything.
No, it was Brussels sprouts you didn't eat.
And peas.
And peas?
Yes, and peas.
So my favorite of this is actually the price range. For the unit, the construction, this is called Cruisers RV. This is a Radiance. So the name, the brand, the line, so it's made by Heartland. That the quality of construction, the unit itself, the floor plan, if it's something you like, it's always about the same thing. It has nothing to do about the destination.
It's all about the journey.